What makes Nescafé Dolce Gusto coffee so special? At Nescafé Dolce Gusto, we select our beans from all over the world based on the intrinsic taste they can deliver to the final cup. But what makes the difference is our talent in blending.
When I want to reinvent a classic in coffee, selecting great origins is an important starting point. For instance, Ethiopian, which is more flowery and more spicy, while the Colombian will bring you more fruity and winey notes. How you mix and blend them together, and that's really what makes the difference. It's how I create original coffees with rich aromas and taste, and it's how I bring the coffee you love to another level.
Roasting is for Nescafé Dolce Gusto an important step, during which we